Alright guys, we are going to remove these running boards, and once they're off, trim this section, probably cut right about there. And the idea is to basically get rid of the step and then down the road replace that with a rock slider. So first thing you're going to do is remove these bolts that are located in the wheel wells. There should be one in the front and one in the rear. Next, we're going to loosen and remove the bolts on the brackets that are supporting the step. There will be 3 brackets. Next, you're going to disconnect the electrical connections for the courtesy lights. There will be 2 connections per side. Next, you're going to remove the brackets that were supporting the step. At this point, it seemed like it should have popped off pretty easily, but for some reason it wasn't. And then I found it. There's 2 screws right underneath the door. Take those out and you're good to go. Next thing we're doing is separating this plastic piece right here from this trim piece right here. Screwdriver under there. Okay, now we got these bolts. 1, 2, 3. are gonna want to retain this wiring. We're gonna install it once we get the trim back on there, get it mounted back up so we still have those courtesy lights. Next up, we are going to cut the trim piece and separate the lower portion from the upper portion. I like to use painter's tape as a guide, and on this first cut, I'm not too worried about the shape of it. I'm cutting below where I'll eventually cut it. I'm just trying to separate the pieces for right now. Next, we're going to remount the trim piece. Okay, now that you have it mounted back on the vehicle, it's up to you how you want to cut the trim piece. I decided to cut mine a little bit higher in the back and in the front. Okay, and that's it. I hope you all enjoy your trimmed side steps, and now you are ready for frame sliders.